Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon, and today it's time to stop opening Magic the Gathering and to open a box of Flesh and Blood Bright Lights. The Mechanologist expansion, which of course still does bring a few cards for the other classes as well. So, 24 packs. Let's get to opening it and see what we can get. Once again, we have the nice paper wrappers. Just love those. Even if they make more of a mess with the silver paper. So let's see what we get. Yeah, like I mentioned, the set is mainly, well, completely actually, focused on Mechanologist cards. So here we have a Soup Up in red for our rare and a Scrap Hopper yellow for our rare and a Dissolving Shield rainbow foil. And that's it. Moving on to the next pack. Let's see what we get here. Of course, comes with a few reprints from the old Mechanologist card pool. We have a Cognition Field in red here and a Mechanical Strength in blue and a foil Data Link. And that's it here. Moving on to the next pack. So satisfying to open, especially since there's also quite a few cards in each pack. And we have a Steam Canister in blue, a Evo Thruster in yellow for our rares, a Junkyard Dog, and then the two token cards. Of course, the set also introduces two new Mechanologists to the game, which we both already saw. Here we have a Polarity Reversal Script in red and a Cognition Field in yellow for our rares, a foil Gas Guzzler, and there's one of them, Tekla-Vossen, and we are one. Let's see if I can quickly bring it up. Max Nitro over here. So, on to the next pack. Let's not dilly-dally. We have a Smash and Grab in red, a Ratchet Up in yellow for our rares, and a foil yellow Dumpster Dive, as well as a token Hyperdriver and a new version of Dash. But we already knew Dash, just in a different version. Moving on, we have a Firewall in red and an Evo Command Center in yellow, as well as a foil yellow Cognition Field. Rainbow foil that is. Moving on. Let's see what we get here. We have a Springer Leak in blue and a Hydraulic Press in red for our rares and a Sprocket Rocket for our rainbow foil in red. And that's about it. The Hyperdrive theme gets a little bit more support from the set as well. And we do get a Medkit in blue, as well as a Ball Bar in red and a foil red Expedite. Moving on to the next pack. Maybe it's now about time for pulling some Majestics. That would be great, wouldn't it? And we have another firewall, this time in purple. And we have a quantum processor, complain and you shall receive. And a foil soup up in red. That's actually quite a nice effect. We also, wonderful, have an assassin card in here, what a wonder. Already dead for our second Majestic of this pack. Like I said, there are some cards for other classes that you can pull. We have a blue scrap hopper in this one and a gigawatt in red, a foil infused titanium, and then 2 equipment tokens. Moving on. Let's see what we get here. We have a bull bar, a cognition field, and a foil yellow Razzle Dazzle. And then once again, 2 more tokens. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get. And we get a security script in blue, as well as a red Evo Atom Breaker. Well, I can probably leave the red out because it's a Majestic. And a Razzle Dazzle in blue for our rainbow foil. Let's see what we get in the next pack. We get an Evo engine room and heavy artillery, both in yellow for our rares, a boom grenade in rainbow foil, and we have a Cogworks Space Arms in gold foil. Yeah. Nothing to write home about, but I'll take it anyway. Moving on, we have a big shot and a penetration script, as well as a foil Hadron Collider. And that's about it. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get here. We get a hydraulic press in red, and a heavy artillery in blue, and a mini force field for rainbow foil in blue as well. Let's see what the next pack brings. Only the best, definitely. With a burn rubber in red and a Springer Leak in yellow for our rares, 0 to 50 for our rainbow foil, and another foil, a Tectonic Rift Majestic Guardian card, actually. Create X seismic surge tokens for X and go again. Also blue, which is very nice for Guardians, as you're probably aware, or maybe not. Then you know, Guardian cards are most of the time very expensive. In the next pack we get a red Springer Leak, and we get a blue Torque Tuned, and a rainbow foil Scrap Compactor in yellow. Moving on. We're slowly emptying the box, as expected. So let's see what else we get here. We have another Torque Tuned in red. We have a liquid cooled Mayhem, a full tilt in red. Oh, that's also a very nice foiling effect. And then the 2 tokens once again. Moving on. Let's see what we get here. We get another liquid cooled mayhem, this time in red, and a ratchet up in blue, a Met-X in blue for our rainbow foil, and an intoxicating shot for our majestic here. Riptide specialization. So not a general hunter card. On to the next pack we go. Where we have a Scrap Hopper in red, a yellow Evo Smoothbore, a majestic System Failure in rainbow foil, and 2 tokens. So just checking the packs. We still have 4 left to go. Let's see what those 4 bring. Of course, we all would like to see the gem, but that's rather rare. We have an Evo Engine Room here in yellow, Mechanical Strength in yellow, a Penetration Script in yellow for rainbow foil rare, and then 2 tokens. So, third to last pack. Where we have a Fuel Injector in blue, a Soup Up in red, and a red Razzle Dazzle for rainbow foil. And then 2 token equipments. Second to last pack. Let's see what we get here. We get a Gigawatt in blue, a Hyper Scrapper Majestic, and a Bull Bar in blue for our rainbow foil, and then once again 2 equipments. So, last pack of this box. Let's see what we can pull out of that one. Then I have another one of Bright Lights lying around, which might come next week. Let's see. We have a Mechanical Strength in red, a Soup Up in yellow, and a Junkyard Dog for our rainbow foil in red. And that's about it. So, once again, nice deck of cards. You will see the prices. I don't think it will be very convincing. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. I will be seeing you at the next one.